Hello, I am Mira. In this video, we will learn about the Food Safety Management System, ISO 22000. Introduction. ISO 22000 is a food safety management system standard that helps to ensure food processing organizations or food chains develop food safety systems in their organizations. What is FSMS ISO 22000? ISO 22000 is an international standard that specifies the requirements for a food safety management system, FSMS. It is designed to ensure that organizations in the food chain can consistently provide safe products and services. The standard integrates the principles of the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point (HACCP) system and application steps developed by the Codex Alimentarius Commission. It combines generally recognized key elements to ensure food safety along the food chain, including interactive communication, system management, and prerequisite programs. Why is ISO 22000 important? ISO 22000 is crucial for consumers and companies as it enables organizations to improve their overall performance when it comes to food safety by adopting a systematic approach. It helps identify, prevent, and control food safety hazards at every stage of the food chain, from farm to fork. This standard is applicable to all organizations, regardless of size or complexity, involved in the production of food, supplies, and food contact materials, as well as in retail, catering, and other related services. Following are the key benefits of the ISO 22000:2018 certification and food safety management system implemented in any organization, offers a preventative approach to food safety. Enhances customer satisfaction/reduces dissatisfaction. Conformance to legal and regulatory requirements. Increase organizational credibility and reputation. Hazard analysis to evaluate threats to food safety. It helps to identify process improvements and reduced customer complaints. Reduces the need for and the cost of end product testing. Improves internal and external communications. Facilitates better understanding of food packaging safety issues throughout the organization. Increases profitability of the company. Having an overall food safety policy for your organization, developed by top management. Setting objectives that will drive your company's efforts to comply with this policy. Planning and designing a management system and documenting the system. Maintaining records of the performance of the system. Establishing a group of qualified individuals to make a food safety team. Defining communication procedures to ensure effective communication with important contacts outside the company, regulatory, customers, suppliers, and others, as well as for internal communication. Having an emergency plan, holding management review meetings to evaluate the performance of the FSMS. Providing adequate resources for the effective operation of the FSMS, including appropriately trained and qualified personnel, sufficient infrastructure, and appropriate work environment to ensure food safety. Following HACCP principles. Establishing a traceability system for identification of product. To implement ISO 22000, you will need to know the following terms and definitions. Food Safety Management System. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Prerequisite Program Activities. Product Specification. Design Controls. Supplier Approval. Equipment Evaluation. Documentation requirements for ISO 22000 certification. Food Safety Policy. Hazard Control Plan. FSMS or Management Manual. Procedures. Food Safety Improvement Plan, monitoring food safety objectives and targets. Emergency Plan. Records for OPRP and CCP monitoring. Registers for non-conformances and corrective action. What qualifications required to become an ISO 22000 lead auditor? Food safety is a top priority for the food business, and ISO 22000 is the gold standard for risk management. It takes qualified experts, known as lead auditors, to ensure that companies adhere to these rules. How can one become one, though? It is difficult to become a qualified ISO 22000 lead auditor without a plan. Before you make the plunge, there are a few things you must have under control. This article will outline the eligibility requirements for ISO 22000 Lead Auditor training. Qualifications to become an ISO 22000 Lead Auditor. Practical experience with management systems. Legal expertise. Understanding of food safety rules and regulations. Under oversight are essential programs. At the ready are helpful practice guides. Mastery of hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP. Understanding of food safety laws and guidelines. This ISO 22000 Lead Auditor online training course comprises in the following 10 sessions. Each online session includes video tutorials with expert training, handouts in PDF format, sessions, and final exams. Course objectives of ISO 22000. Familiarize yourself with food safety management system principles based on ISO 22000. Understand the Plan Do Check Act cycle of ISO 22000 requirements. Understand the ISO 22000 requirements clauses and subclauses. Know about leadership, planning, and support clauses. Know about the operation and performance evaluation clauses. Know about the resource requirements and process requirements for ISO 22000. Learn about the types of auditing and questioning techniques for ISO 22000 Lead Auditors. Understand, maintain, and retain documented information. Get knowledge of lead auditing and use of audit checklists. Get the ready-to-use lead audit checklist with clause-wise questions to perform an effective audit. Learn how to perform lead auditing. Understand the new concepts of risk management in FSMS. These are the dominant features of this online course, which is cost and time efficient, fast and effective, and offers convenient and flexible training that can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. Who should attend this course? Any individuals who want to know about FSMS ISO 22000. Owners of any food manufacturing organizations. Professionals working with food manufacturing organizations. Managers. Food safety management system consultants. A student. Other people who have found this course useful and who want to enhance their career in the food manufacturing sector. Please email us at sales@puniamacademy.com or visit www.puniamacademy.com. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos.